Hello everyone, Biology class 12, chapter number 1 reproduction in higher and lower plants. Yes, in last video we have seen asexual methods of reproduction. Today we are going to see vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is also a type of asexual reproduction. In this, the plant reproduce asexually through their vegetative parts is called the vegetative reproduction. Vegetative parts means which are the parts stem, root, leaf. If the plant is reproducing or forming a new plants from the stem or root or leaf is called the vegetative reproduction. The new plant formed are genetically identical to their parents. Means whatever the plant new plant is formed, that is same as like their parental plant. Vegetative reproduction, it happens naturally also and artificially also, but today in this video we are going to see the artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. In that, first is the cutting. The small piece of any vegetative part of plant having one or more bud is used for the propagation. Means what you have to do, you have to cut the small piece of the either stem or leaf or root which is having the one or two bud, and you have to grow into the soil, and then you will get the new plantlet. So in this cutting there is a stem cutting, leaf cutting and root cutting. First one is the stem cutting. In this stem cutting, here is the example is the root, rose and the bougainvillea. So you have to take the what? You have to take the stem of this plant and you have to grow into the moist soil. You will get the new plantlet, and which is same as like the parental plant. Bougainvillea is the nothing but the paper flower, and you all are aware about the rose plant. Next one is the leaf cutting. Example is Sansevieria, and this is also called as the snake plant. And if you take the snake plant leaf and grow into the soil, then you are able to form the new entire plant of the Sansevieria. Next one is root cutting. If you want to grow the blackberry plant, then you have to take the small piece of root and you have to grow properly into the moist soil, then you will get the entire plantlet of the blackberry. So we have seen in the cutting the three types: stem cutting, root cutting and leaf cutting. And if you cut the plant these parts and grow into the moist soil, you will get the what? The entire plantlet. Next one is the grafting. In the grafting, what you have to do, you have to take the two plants, but these two plants are going to act as a single plant. The first plant you have to take, which is the first plant stem you have to take, which is having the two buds or the one or two buds, and it is called as the scion, and you have to join onto the another plant which is rooted into the pot or rooted anywhere. Okay, and that plant is called as the stalk, and you have to join this part, the join in a such a way that how the lock and key are joining together, and you have to wrap it, and this plant is going to act as the what? The single plant. Generally grafting is used into the rose plant, pear and the apple. Next method is the what? The tissue culture. So first of all, everyone is aware about the what is meant by the tissue. Group of cells are coming together and forming a tissue. That tissue is you have to take and you have to grow into the laboratory under the controlled conditions. Then you will get from that small part of plant, you will get the number of plantlets. This is also a type of vegetative reproduction. Here in this video we have seen cutting, then grafting and tissue culture. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.